Now you can generate unlimited long videos with just one click and enjoy near-perfect character consistency. This platform even uses Nano Banana 2, Google's advanced image model, for scene images, and Gemini 3 is available in story mode. Make kids' stories, realistic scenes, or any style you want, no special skills required. It builds the script, scenes, and even gives you an AI video agent, so you don't need other tools. And today you don't need to pay. I'm giving 5 viewers a free pro subscription. I'll explain the rules in a bit, so pay close attention. Now, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is MagicLight AI, which can generate high-quality long videos in just a few clicks. Click on Get Started, and you'll see the new updated features announcement. And guess what? They've just added Nano Banana 2 and Gemini 3, which is Google's most advanced model. MagicLight is also celebrating its anniversary, so you'll get 50% off on all plans. So the first thing you need to do is click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. This is the Creation Center, where you can generate story to video by simply entering a short idea or concept, and the AI automatically expands it into a full script. You can also use trending scripts, and my favorite is Kids Story Video. It's a one-click generation feature and supports videos up to 50 minutes. Another newly released feature is Kids Song, where your character sings with realistic lip sync, and the Explainer Video feature, which is perfect for teaching. They also provide AI Video Agent, image-to-video character vlogs, and AI characters. And I highly recommend checking the community-generated videos section for more inspiration. So before we create videos using these features, let's generate an explainer video with one click. Simply click on it and it will bring you to this page. It's a very simple and easy way to create an explainer video, no skills or experience required. Even a child could make videos from here. You can type your video topic or choose one from the suggested topics. Then pick the video style. I'm going with Disney style. Next, select the aspect ratio and the duration. You can choose from the given options or add a custom duration. It supports up to 50 minutes. After that, select your preferred language. As you can see, MagicLight supports all major languages, so you can create videos in your native language. Then select the story model, and pay attention here, MagicLight integrates Gemini 3, Google's best and currently trending model, so I'm selecting Gemini 3. Next, choose the video model. As you can see, all the video models are available here, so I'm going with Sedance Pro. Pick the voiceover that fits your video and select the background music. You can preview the storyboard and customize everything, characters, images, and other elements. But I want to create the video with just one click and let MagicLight handle the rest. So I clicked Create Video, and the generation process begins. First, it generates the complete script, then the images, and finally turns everything into a full video. And our video is ready. I clicked Download, and here is the result.
A tiny water drop sat in a puddle on a leaf. The sun shone brightly, and the leaf felt warm. "Oh," said the water drop, "I feel so light." It got lighter until it floated into the air. It became invisible and was now called vapor. High in the sky, it met millions of other drops. It was cooler, and they huddled together to keep warm. They formed a big, fluffy cloud. Soon, the cloud was too full and heavy. Whoosh! The water drop fell back to Earth. "I'm rain!" it shouted, landing in a new puddle. It was ready for a new journey.
The video beautifully explains the entire rain cycle in a fun and engaging way, making it perfect for kids learning. With MagicLight, you can turn any idea or script into a clear, easy-to-understand visual story that helps children learn effortlessly. There is also a kids' story feature, which you can use with the same steps as the explainer video. And there's the AI video agent, which is perfect for beginners. It's also integrated with Gemini 3. You just type an idea, and the video agent handles the rest. I already showed it briefly in my previous video, so I'll provide the link in the description if you want to check it out. Now, Let's generate a long video using story to video. So go ahead and click on it. As you can see, they've mentioned that Gemini 3 is available in this feature as the story model, which helps create high-quality videos. This is the Smart Script section where you can add your idea or prompt. If you already have your own script, just paste it here. And if you don't know what to create, I recommend using trending scripts, which have already gained millions of views on YouTube, giving you a higher chance of going viral. I like this one, so I'm clicking Run Script, and the entire script is added automatically. Next, select the duration. You can generate videos up to 50 minutes with 600 scenes, which you won't find anywhere else. For this video, I'm selecting 3 to 5 minutes. Then choose the aspect ratio and your preferred language. For the story model, I'm obviously selecting Gemini 3. Now choose the video style. MagicLight provides a lot of styles, so you can create any type of video. Since the script recommends Pixar, I'm going with that. Click Next, and it will start analyzing. Within seconds, it generates the synopsis based on your script. You can change, remove, or add lines and scenes. A total of 80 scenes were created. Everything looks good, so I'm clicking Next. This opens the cast page. It automatically detected 6 characters from our script. For an easy option, click Autocast and MagicLight will assign characters automatically based on the story. You can also edit characters or choose new ones. MagicLight provides over 10,000 characters for humans and animals with 100% consistency, and you can even create your own custom characters. After selecting the cast, click Next to open the storyboard. MagicLight will start generating images for your video scenes. So all our scene images are generated with 100% consistency, and pay attention here, Nano Banana Pro is integrated in this section. It provides high-quality 4K image results. You can edit your scenes using prompts or by selecting these quick access options for clothes changes, removing elements, changing expressions, and more. For example, I want to change the clothes in this scene. So I select clothes, enter, change clothes to red color, and click again. Within seconds, Nano Banana Pro changes the clothes color without losing any image quality. If you've used the old Nano Banana model before, you know that edited images used to lose quality. But with Nano Banana Pro, the quality stays exactly as the original. Let's check another example. I want to change this character's expression. I select expression, click Regenerate, and the expression changes perfectly while the rest of the image stays the same. Just imagine the kind of high-quality scenes you can create using Nano Banana Pro in MagicLight. On this side, you'll see the scene information and the prompt used to generate that specific scene. You can regenerate it if you want to make changes. From here, you can animate your scenes, and on this side, you can adjust the voiceover speed, select a voiceover, or even clone your own voice. Just upload your recorded audio, select the gender, and MagicLight will clone your voice. I'm selecting this voiceover, and you can add different narrators for different scenes and even include sound effects. Now finally, let's animate all scenes. Click Animate. You can animate them one by one, but to save time, I'm selecting Animate All. Then choose the video model. You get all the top models like Kling, Sedance, Minimax, and MagicLight as well. I'm selecting MagicLight because it gives high-quality results and is very affordable. Then click Confirm, and it starts animating all scenes. After animating, I recommend checking all the scenes. If anything looks off, just regenerate it. Once all the scenes are correct, click Next, and your video is ready for final adjustments. Here, you can set your cover image, add your cover title, and choose a style. Then select your subtitle style and background music. The music library is copyright-free, so you can safely use it. For better audio balance, I recommend setting the background music volume to around 20%, so your voiceover remains clear. Now, click Generate. Select the aspect ratio and choose the video quality. I'm selecting high quality, then click OK. At this stage, MagicLight merges all of our scenes together. Once the generation process is complete, simply download the video from here. Now, let's watch the result.
Emily scrubs the floor, her weary motions echoing in the dimly lit kitchen. Her face is etched with exhaustion, a stark contrast to the sweetness of the cake. Their mother watches Emma with adoration, a silent division forming in the room. The kitchen's dim light casts long shadows, reflecting Emily's dreary existence. At the well, Emily strains under the weight of the water, her young face etched with worry. A sudden crow echoes, startling her, and she cries, "Oh no!" as she loses her grip. Her cross-stitch tumbles from her hands, a voice narrates, disappearing into the dark abyss. Bathed in sunlight, Emily gently descends into a magical garden, where vibrant flowers bloom. A fluffy rabbit frantically tugs at an enormous carrot, its whiskers twitching with effort. Seeing the rabbit's plight, Emily approaches, her eyes filled with kindness and understanding. Without a moment's hesitation, Emily lends her strength, her hands joining the rabbit's struggle. Together, they heave, dirt flying, as the stubborn carrot begins to yield to their combined power.
See, it's amazing. The characters are perfectly consistent, and the video flow is smooth and natural. If you want to watch the full video, I've uploaded it on my second channel. The link is in the description. Just imagine creating a YouTube channel, uploading videos with consistent characters and engaging stories. I truly believe you'll get great views, and yes, these videos are fully monetizable on YouTube. You can simply change the topic every day while keeping the same characters for consistency. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, I'm giving 4 of my viewers a free pro subscription. All you need to do is like this video, comment Gemini 3. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. I'll announce all the winners on my Discord server, which you can join through the link in the description. I'd love for you to share your creations on my Discord server. By doing so, not only will you showcase your work, but you'll also inspire and motivate others who are learning and experimenting. Every shared video or idea can spark creativity and help someone else take their first step, so don't hesitate to post your content and be part of our growing community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.